Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up. Then that ass be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. This the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up. Trying to put the face in the neck.
What's up, everybody? It's your boys here from GLD. Today we're doing another product highlight video on our Alpha Era watches with the skeleton face. These are automatic watches. That's referring to their movement. We're going to get into why these watches are special, why you should get them from GLD. If you were in the market for a watch, regardless of your price range, we probably have an option for you. So I've got Christian here with me. Christian's going to explain just a little bit about the special details that are in these watches, a little bit about the movement. And so, Christian, for someone who's not super into watches, let's go a little bit into the movement. What is this movement all about? Why is this called an automatic watch?
Absolutely. So there's two main types of watches. You've got battery powered and we've got automatic. And the reason why this is called an automatic watch, why it's an automatic movement, is because it's got a little counterweight. Yeah, let's pull that guy up. And you can see on the back, we've got this spinning disc. That's called a counterweight. And as you're walking while you wear the watch, that movement spins the disc and it actually generates energy that's stored inside of the watch.
And look, there's a little GLD right on there. Wow, that's the attention to detail on these watches, guys, is crazy.
Top notch. But yeah, just the movement of your arm powers the watch. So you never have to replace a battery. You never have to get it wound.
So that's referring to the movement. Let's get a little bit into the skeleton face, which honestly is my absolutely favorite part. The movement part is cool. It's interesting to know about that with watches, but I love that I can see into the back of this watch.
And they did a really great job on this. Most watches, like the watch you're wearing on your wrist right now, which is one of our other Alpha Eras, you can actually see the mechanics. And the reason why we wanted to show the skeleton face on this watch is because we use such a high quality Japanese movement. We're showing off all of the mechanics that are in there. You can see just these crazy milled pieces of metal that make this watch amazing. Yeah, it's awesome.
That is nice. Stellar. There's even like a little purple glow in the back. There's some gold in the back.
You can see it ticking. You can see the movement actually right there.
You mentioned something about the steel too. Talk a little bit about like the quality of the steel that's in here.
Exactly, yeah. So we use the highest quality steel that you can use in watches, basically. It's the same stuff that Audemars Piguet uses, Richard Mille, all those.
So that's everything that I'm seeing right here is made out of that super high quality steel that you're referring to. Okay, okay, sweet. Let's pull up this other one. This gold one is nice too. It all depends on your style, guys. Like as you can see right here, we've got like 3 different watches, just kind of depending on what you want. This is my everyday watch. At the office, this thing is clean. I love the rubber strap. Obviously, you're stepping out for a night on the town. You have 2 options, just kind of depending on how crazy you want to get it. I prefer this as the daily driver, but you'll catch me out with something like this on the weekend for sure. Okay, so let's get into the gold one here a little bit. I love the clasp on the back one. So depending on what type of strap you like to have on your watch, we have options. This clasp back here is just, it's so sick, guys, and it is quality. These parts aren't like moving around in here. You have the pickaxe and the GLD.
And you'll also notice on the band, the big thing about this watch is the diamonds, right? I mean, that's the first thing that catches your eyes. It's just covered in diamonds. And many of the people in this industry, our competitors, what they do is they actually leave rows basically on the band where they don't put any diamonds, and that helps them save money.
So you would see more gold basically in some of these areas.
Yeah. On this, the entire thing is hand set diamonds, and that's just another way that we go above and beyond to show that this is the absolute highest quality.
Now that you say that, I notice like on every corner here, like you have stones are covering it. Like literally every corner, other than the areas intentionally left to just have like a nice little gold trim.
Now, the other thing you'll notice is these watches, just looking at it, you would think that these are real diamonds. And we offer completely hand set real diamond watches if you're trying to spend $30,000, $40,000. But if you're looking for something on a budget, the one we're using right now is actually set with 5A cubic zirconia. And basically what that means is that's gonna have the most shine for the least amount of money possible.
Okay, so when you talk about the stones, you say 5A cubic zirconia. And so is there something of a lower grade and is there something of a higher grade, or how does that grading system work?
Yeah, so 5A is the highest that you can go. There's 1 through 5, and we use 5, which is the best quality cubic zirconia stones that you can get out there. And that's why these things look just like real diamonds. I mean, the sparkle is undeniable.
So then literally, I mean, you could say this is the nicest stone that you can get for this price range and of this quality, like period.
Exactly, yeah. You've got the highest quality metal, the highest quality movement, and the highest quality stones in a watch that you can get. And from the price points that we're seeing with GLD, nobody else is doing it.
Okay, so I'm gonna go over just a few of the finer details here to finish up this video, because I think what we've done here with this watch and how we've made it custom and made it unique is there's some details that should be spoke about. So from something as simple as where you would tuck the strap in, You notice the GLD logo. It's that new rendering of our logo. Absolutely love it. Super clean. On the inside of the strap even, you get some of that GLD branding. The back of the watch, as we mentioned before, you have GLD around that counterweight, but then also on that counterweight, guys, there's a little pickaxe with GLD logo. Then as you get into inside, of course, GLD right at the very, very top, and even a pickaxe. Can you get that second hand in there? Just that one that's sweeping along there so clean. There's actually a pickaxe in there as well, guys. So attention to detail is on point with these watches. So some of the versions of these watches you can actually get in a luminous version. And so
these are luminous, right?
They might be. Let's kill the lights and just find out real time.
This real quick.
Okay, two we got here. They are both luminous. Get out. Fresh. I'm telling you guys, fresh. So you have luminous options in these, meaning at night you have that glow in the dark on the hands. I'm telling you guys, it's done in a very classy way. It's not a cheesy way. We're showing you right here what it looks like. Guys, GLD is a brand that is known and trusted. Like, you guys have heard about us. Do your research. Go to some of these YouTube videos. Go to our website. Check out the product reviews. They're your favorite athlete, your favorite rapper, your favorite celebrity. They're rocking GLD. As you can see, the best rock with GLD. There's also plenty of independent reviews on YouTube. So you don't trust that Rick Ross, Wiz Khalifa, Soulja Boy, the names go on and on and on. But if you don't trust all of those celebrities and their word for it, go check out just independent reviews on YouTube. Like, seriously, Google GLD Alpha Era watch review. Check out what people are saying online, because only good things about these watches. You've got a guarantee behind these as well. So you literally, guys, you have no risk whatsoever. So with that, thank you for watching another products highlight video with GLD. We'll see you guys next time. Make sure you live GLD.